Worthy of your time talagang tingnan tong bahay na to, lalo na kung naghahanap ka ng para sa family mo. Yung classy ha, may 4-car garage at yung may swimming pool. Perfect to para sa inyo. Hi, future owner! Welcome to your elegant house. Ito na nga ang malawak mong living, dining, and kitchen area. Nag-o-open pa yung dining dito sa iyong swimming pool. Medyo pahaba yung swimming pool mo. Meron tong lot area na 280 square meters. Ang floor area nasa mga 400 square meters at nasa loob pa to ng safe, gated, and flood-free subdivision. Kaya panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para mas ma-explore mo yung bahay. Ito yung ground floor bedroom. Meron din tong malapit na bathroom. Follow and subscribe ka na kasi dito mo makikita ang dream house mo. Yung price and details